Buhari, what have we done to you, Buhari? Buhari, what have we done? Why are you killing our children? Why are you killing our brothers, our fathers, our mothers? Why are you killing them? You just say una jaga jaga. Nigeria jaga jaga. If Nigeria no jaga jaga, how a president will send his useless army to kill innocent citizens, people that came out to do a peaceful protest? What did you do to them? You killed them. You don't care. Nigeria jaga jaga. Nigeria jaga jaga. Yeah, this music is coming back. This music is coming back. Nigeria jaga jaga. Because if Nigeria no jaga jaga, this nonsense where they happen now. 60 years old, Buhari, you never get sense. Nigeria never see get sense. 60 years, few days to when we do not celebrate 60 years. Buhari give us birthday gifts. The best birthday gift, you gave it to us. Blood. You gave us blood as a birthday gift. Buhari, it shall never be well with you. All the evil senators, all the evil governments, all you people are in power, all of you are in power. You will die. All of you in that power, Tinubu, all of you now. Thunder that will strike you is already doing press up. Rest in peace to all the innocent people that lost their lives. Rest in peace. A moment silent for them. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. We have woken up. We have woken up. We have waken up. Nothing is happening. How many people can you kill? How many can you kill, Buhari? How many can you kill? How many can you kill? Multiple of people. You kill them because you are not human being. Even devil himself is angry with you, Buhari. Devil. The devil that have the devilish mind is angry with you. Devil don't have this kind of mind to just crush everybody. Peaceful people. Peaceful protest, Buhari. You sent a useless army to fire down, right? To fire down, right? Now the year 419 for Nigeria. Now 100 naira. Yes. Nigeria. Sowore came out to say take it back. Take it back. What happened to Sowore? You jailed him. You jailed Sowore. We are going to take it back. We are going to take it back. We are going to take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Take it back. Nigeria jaga jaga. Idris now still ban the music because he said the truth. Thunder will go fire now. Blood shield. You see blood. Buhari don't die. Buhari, I know you are a dead man already. You are not even there. You are a dead man. Buhari, I know you are not in existence anymore. You have long gone. Buhari, you are no more in existence. You don't die. Now make we know they come outside. We know they see you again. You don't die. Buhari, your children, they go die. Now plane crash, they go kill them. They don't go see their dead body buried. The arches, they not go see. Dead body, they not go see. Arches of your family members. All the bad government for that country. You kill people. You kill people because they came out to do a peaceful protest. Buhari shall never be well with you and your generation. All of una na thunder na go strike una. All the evil leaders, we are woken up now. You see, I said the youth don't wake up now. Before if una shoot God, we go wrong. Now we say nothing they happen. No matter the life that we go, we will stand firm. We are going to take it back. Take it back. We are going to take it back. We move. We move. We move. You see, Nigeria jaga jaga. Inside prison. Everything jaga jaga. Scatter. Poor man, they suffer. Gunshot. You see the gunshot for Lucky Tollgate. You saw the gunshots. You see gunshots. Now what if we talk now? Gunshot, fella talking. All of you now. Generation to generation. Thunder. We go strike now. Rest in peace to the people that came out. Rest in peace to innocent citizens of Nigeria. Because of your evil atrocities. You evil mind. Buhari, you go die. Buhari, you go die. Buhari, you go die. Buhari, you will die. Tinubu, all of you now where did that power? Thunder. Una go die. This blood. Do you think people can overpower this thing? You can never. This blood people shared on this peaceful protest. It's your end. It's your end. It's your end. I'm not smiling. This face is not a smiling face. I'm angry. I'm angry. I'm angry. I can't come outside to protest. I will do what I want to do here because I based in Italy. People are dying in Nigeria. We are coming out to protest on Sunday in my base in Italy. You all are invited. We are going to protest. End to SARS. End to SWAT. End Buhari. End Tinubu. End all of una. Thunder. Thunder. Everything scatter. Jaga jaga, poor man they suffer. Gunshot in the head, Nigeria saka jaga, everything scatter. Poor man they suffer. Boza, poor man, you see them? Poor man they suffer. See gunshot everywhere. Gunshots. Buhari, rest in peace. Tell your family, rest in peace. Buhari, no fit go fight Boko Haram. Buhari, you know, fit send your army may go fight Boko Haram, and you this useless army, you not go fight Boko Haram. Now they got power for civilian body way, no one, no two. Civilian that not even have anything to shoot to people, no weapon. You know, if you go fight Buhari, you know, if you go fight Boko Haram for Sabisi Forest, Boko Haram, they kidnap in a family, they kill the family. You know, fit army, shame on you. Shame on you, mother. Shame on you. You cannot go to Sabisi Forest to go and show your power, right? You dey show your power for Nigeria citizens in hand. When they know they disturb una. You know, if you go Sabisi Forest, go deal with Boko Haram. Thunder, take calm. We are going to take it back. Yes. Nigeria jaga. Yes, that is Finland. Thunder, Nigeria flag turned to green, white, red. Instead of green, white, green. Nigeria flag turned to green, white, red. Red can't join blood stain, full land. Waiting they happen. Youth, we are going to take it back. We don't open ayo. Our mumu don't do. We say no. Take it back. So we're waiting they stop. All of us will take it back. The movement will begin. The movement shall continue. We are going to take it back. Take it back. We are going to take it back by force. You say so they fear bullets again now. This person that don't kill us, we still know they fear bullets. I'm gonna feel kill. No way, we go reach 10 million march come out for work. Yes, I know say that sort of we go enter before I go keep 5 million. We don't catch Buhari for neck. Before I go keep 5 million people, we don't keep Buhari for us. We don't keep Tinubu. We don't finish all of now. Now the year thunder we go fire now. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. United Nations, where are you? United Nations, BBN, CNN, where una? They wanna carry this news. Thunder, we go fire these people. Thunder, we go fire Buhari. Mona help us, United Nations. Come and help us. We are dying. The blood is too much. Please come outside and help us. So we can't bear this anymore. We can't hold this thing. Hey, this woman where they UK, what did they call you, Queen Elizabeth? Now una start this war. Make una come outside, come arrange jambo. Now una come, now una start time. I beg Queen Elizabeth. Say army when they go destroy Buhari. Go destroy Buhari for Aso Rock. And destroy Buhari, you must resign. You must resign. Buhari, thunder. Take him. Rest in peace to the heroes. Rest in peace. I know they smile at all. I don't provoke. My spirit is very, very down. Oh, my Father, my Maker, Jehovah, I shall die. Send down your angel, Jehovah, to come and destroy the evil politician, destroy the evil government, destroy Buhari, destroy every evil people that are in power, Jehovah. Send your angels, Baba. Send your angel to come and destroy them in the mighty name of Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Rest in peace. Take it back by force.